Hi, and welcome to Dr. Jack's Baby Feeding 101. Today we're going to talk baby food. You're probably wondering, should I buy at the store or should I make homemade? I tell my patients, homemade is best. It's cheaper, it's convenient, and it's really easy if you use the right tools. And let's face it, moms, when we're pregnant, we're so careful with what we eat because we want to do what's best for our baby. Babies are born and we obsess over breastfeeding or formula because we want to do what's best. Your baby's first foods are just as important. But if you think making homemade baby food is too difficult, think again. If you have the right tools, it can be a breeze. That's why I recommend to my patients the Baby Reza One-Step Food Maker. It's the only product on the market that allows you to steam and blend with the push of one button. In 10 minutes, you have fresh, homemade baby food. And if you want a great way to feed your homemade baby food, try the Baby Reza Reusable Food Pouches. They're super easy to fill, dishwasher safe, and great for the environment. So moms, you're lucky. Making homemade baby food has never been easier.